Hi guys, today I'm making a recipe from Chef Salam from Beit Mariam in Dubai. She makes amazing food. I saw it on her page and it looked really yummy, so I'm making it for iftar today. It's stuffed chicken with rice, but I don't eat a lot of rice, so I'm just making the chicken. So we've got orange and lemon juice mixed together. We're just gonna I already have a small accident. Okay, mustard, just go in there. Can't really. I can't get it out. Okay, that's all I can get out. Just gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put 7 spices. 1 teaspoon again. Luckily I have this plate. Now the 7 spices are mixing, are on. Okay, now the cumin powder. How many accidents with the powders? There's a lot of powders, so a lot of accidents. Now mix spices. Can't do it like that. I almost finished the whole thing. Okay, now we're not gonna do 1 teaspoon, we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon. Let me get the measurement. And it's all over everything. Now the cinnamon powder. Trying not to get the powder everywhere. Missed. Come on. And the nutmeg powder. This plate was nice and clean, and now it's all messy. Oh, I got mustard and powder on my hand. I'm gonna just remove that. Now salt and pepper. Ouch. Went on the floor. Almost made the whole thing full. And a few pieces of clove. One more. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it. Come on down, mustard. Okay, now we're gonna put 2 big tablespoons of yogurt. New bucket, I meant. That made a really funny sound. Another one. Now we're just gonna mix it again. Okay, now we're gonna put olive oil. You can put olive oil or fat. Okay, so we're just gonna get our plate and with onions and our chicken. Now we're gonna get our chicken. I don't like the feeling. I know I said this in my other video, my roasted chicken video. Well, what part was I touching there? Because that felt really weird. I can't get the chicken. I don't want to touch it. You know what, I'm just gonna tip the whole thing again. So, I just forgot to say we've got a lot of onions and some clean chicken. Now we're gonna pour this all over. And the part I don't want to do, rub it. Oh. Why do I have to do this? So we left it in the fridge for a few hours. You can leave it overnight like Chef Salam did. That's how it looked. Okay, we're gonna cut some potatoes into 4 pieces. You can Oh my gosh, look at these chickens. They look so amazing and juicy. Okay, so we finished putting everything. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's heavy. OMG guys, so this is the final look. It smells and looks amazing. It's golden and crispy on the top, full of flavor. And it's really easy to make, and it's all in one dish. I'm gonna dig in.